Welcome back, everyone. So in the last video we discussed benchmarking and how can we benchmark the system now, and basically this is in addition to using the system idle process we discussed. So I found this nice free benchmark called Novabench. It's at novabench.com, and I installed it on the system, and I wanted to show you the results. I've been running this benchmark a few times, and I have an old benchmark and then some recent ones, and I just wanted to show you as things seem to have stabilized here in this last benchmark, and these are the scores that we are generating. The overall score is 944. The CPU score is this, the RAM score is this, the disk score is this, and the GPU score is this. Okay, so it's a simple thing. It's a very simple benchmark. We can run it, of course, if you'd like to see it run here. It's rather quick. Just runs through all the different tests, CPU, GPU, and there's a little bit of 3D stuff there, and which is nice. We're basically covering most of the things that you would want to check on, and the good thing about this is it gives us a good starting point, so we can understand what the current system performance is before we optimize it, and then what the performance will be after we optimize it. And we can go through and do the optimizations and run this benchmark at any point in between. We can run the benchmark and we can determine, what is happening with the system. Here we see the graphics benchmark. So it's giving us the frames per second, etc. And this is the typical Intel. You can see the graphics 4000, 4600 chip or whatever it is. But in any event, this is how long it generally takes to do the benchmark. Right now, because I'm recording, I think maybe the score is down a little bit. But here we are. It's still pretty close to what it was, 916. So this gives us a starting point, and then we will build from here with our system optimizations.